Welcome back to my channel. This video is Big Muscles Nutrition Protein to 6G Refreshing Mango Flavored Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate 6G Glutamine 15G EA per serving 0G Sugar Light and Crisp Light Juice. Product information. Looking for a refreshing new protein drink? Let's face it. It takes a lot of courage to give your best in these months. Working out in the hot, sweltering summer heat is no joke, and it gets even harder when you can't even hit the gym if you wanted to. The grime and sweat get multiplied even if the reps don't. Summers are also notorious for killing hunger, making it easy to go back into our air-conditioned comfort zone. And in such a scenario, regular protein shakes may seem too heavy to drink. A lot of gymgoers suffer loss of bulk because they just can't stomach the thick shakes due to the heat. What we crave for in these hot, sunny days is something refreshing. But is there a refreshing way to maintain gains? Now, for the first time ever, you can get both nutrition and refreshment with our one-of-its-kind formula. At Big Muscles, we have been consistently innovating to get just the right combinations of supplements for you, and we don't stop at just the nutrients. Taste is a very important aspect of nutrition. If it doesn't taste right, you are less likely to stick to it. And what is healthy living if you can't maintain the good habits you pick up? So, to make your fitness easier, especially when you need a feeling of freshness, we have introduced Frutein. Frutein is a refreshingly delicious juicy whey protein supplement available in 5 fruit flavors. If it doesn't taste right, you are less likely to stick to it. And what is healthy living if you can't maintain the good habits you pick up? So, to make your fitness easier, especially when you need a feeling of freshness, we have introduced Frutein. Frutein is a refreshingly delicious juicy whey protein supplement available in 5 fruit flavors. Not just for summer days, the juicy, fruity flavor will make this your go-to protein in all seasons. Start your morning with a fruity kick that keeps you feeling light and refreshed all day long. Frutein is a new refreshing, sugar-free protein powder that supports low-carb, keto and high-protein diets while containing no artificial flavors. Frutein adds a crisp, light-tasting, and thirst-quenching quality to traditional protein powder. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.